Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions and gathering the immediate data you need: primary player stats and one backup candidate. Open My 11 circle and enter roster or substitutions mode. This is where changes stick. Once done, select the match and the slot to swap. Make sure to note any lineup locks or salary cap effects before you proceed, because those constraints determine whether the backup can replace the starter without breaking roster rules. Now you perform the actual replacement. Tap the starter, choose Replace, and pick your backup. Pause to inspect salary cap and position eligibility. My 11 circle prevents invalid swaps, so checking prevents surprises. Consider matchup impact, why the backup is a better choice, and use the preview to view final stats and projected points. Once satisfied, save the lineup. If you're making multiple swaps, repeat methodically to avoid exceeding budget or duplicating players. Finish by saving the lineup and confirming the app shows a success message. Note the lock time so no late edits fail. Reopen your lineup to verify the backup appears in the starting 11 and that projected points updated as expected. If the swap fails or the player won't stick, first check for lineup lock or salary cap issues, then clear cache or log out and back in. This resolves most client-side sync problems and lets you retry the replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.